Well, it is Wednesday before the Thanksgiving holiday, which is tomorrow. I understand that a lot of people will not be traveling tomorrow to see family and friends as they typically do, but I wanted to give my weekend advice a little early because I realize that people will be traveling, and the majority of our calls, as always, come in during the weekends or, in this case, a holiday, because we realize that people are out and about and a criminal case can happen at any time and place. Like I always say, if you're traveling through Pennsylvania or New Jersey and you're stopped for suspicion of DUI or DWI in New Jersey or Pennsylvania, do not refuse the chemical test, whether it be a blood or breathalyzer test. Refusing that test will never help your criminal case. In addition, obviously, if the police officer stops your car and wants to search it, do not give consent, but do not be disrespectful to the police officer. Again, that will not help your criminal case in any way. If the officer wants to search your car, do not get in his way, but don't give consent. Remember, giving consent allows the officer to basically bypass all of your constitutional rights, and again, that will never help your criminal case. With regards to illegal drugs and marijuana especially, remember that probable cause, it is not sufficient to search a car based on the smell of marijuana alone. There is case law on that. But again, if the officer wants to search your car because he or she says he smells marijuana, do not get in their way. But remember to bring it up to your lawyer if, in fact, you are arrested, because the officer should find marijuana perhaps in the console of the automobile. Finally, with regards to illegal weapons, remember, in the Garden State, your Pennsylvania gun should not be entering the Garden State. Your license to carry a firearm in Pennsylvania is not good in New Jersey, so please don't bring your Pennsylvania gun in New Jersey if you happen to be traveling in the Garden State and for whatever reason you believe that you're taking your gun there for personal protection. Remember that the laws in New Jersey and Pennsylvania are very different, and that New Jersey has very strict penalties when it comes to legal possession of firearms. In fact, New Jersey, unlike Pennsylvania, has a mandatory minimum 42-month state prison sentence for the illegal possession of a firearm. With regards to information from our law firm, our website, GamboneLaw.com, a tremendous resource. We just put out our weekly newsletter a little early today. It went out to over 3,000 of our current and former clients. It's a great resource. I'm going to link in a copy of that e-newsletter here to this video. If you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania. In New Jersey, 856-793-7429. We answer the calls 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, even on Thanksgiving Day. So if you have a problem, please, I always say the best time to retain an attorney is immediately following your arrest, especially if bail is going to be an issue. Never assume bail in a case. If you or a loved one is arrested, it's very important that you get in contact with an attorney, because once bail is set, there are things that your attorney can do to bring it down, but the best time to argue bail is when you are arrested. Remember, New Jersey and Pennsylvania have a very different bail system. There is no cash bail in New Jersey. In Pennsylvania, we still have the cash bail system. So once again, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey. Have a great Thanksgiving holiday. Please enjoy it responsibly. Don't drink and drive. And if you have questions, please give us a call. Have a great day.